Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you the process on how to connect Binance Wallet to the centralized exchange like Uniswap. Now let's start. First is open your Binance application. Now in the home page, just tap the assets icon. Then at the top section, just click the wallet. Now in wallet interface, just scroll down and locate the D apps. Just tap the arrow at the right section and make sure to select the DEX. Now in here, you'll be able to see the Uniswap. Just tap this and then you will head to Uniswap main page. Now in here, all you have to do is to click the connect button at the top right corner and then tap other wallets. After that, just tap the Binance Wallet. And there you go. Our Binance Wallet is already connected to our Uniswap. After you connect your Binance Wallet to Uniswap, you'll be able to transfer your funds to another wallet and also purchase with debit or bank account. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.